Let's see this example. Murli is thrice as good as workman as Srinu and therefore is able to finish a job in 40 days less than Srinu. If Murli and Srinu are working together, in how many days can the work be completed? So they are saying that if you compare Murli's speed with Srinu's speed, he is saying that Murli is thrice as good, which means speed of Murli is 3 times speed of Srinu. So if you assume that Murali and Srinu are doing some work, now let's see the speed. Speed in this case of time and work is rate. Rate is nothing but units per day or units per hour. Okay. So if you assume that Srinu's rate is x units per day, okay, then Murali is thrice as good, isn't it? Which means his speed will be 3x units per day. Okay. So don't get confused here. So you might think that, see, sometimes what you might do is you assume that Srinu is taking y days to finish the work, and then you will write here as Murali is taking 3 into y days. No, y by 3 will be the right one. In case of days, you have to decrease the days. Why? If he is as good, then he will be able to finish faster, isn't it? So in case of rate, you are going to multiply. In case of time, you are going to divide, because time should decrease and speed should increase if he is good, really good, isn't it? Okay. And now they are saying that the other one is, and therefore is able to finish, which means Murali is able to finish a job in 40 days less than Srinu. So if we assume that Srinu is going to take y days to finish the job, then Murali will be able to finish it in 40 days less than Srinu, which means y minus 40 days. Got it? Okay. Now they are asking, if Murali and Srinu are working together, then in how many days they can complete the work? Fine. So in order to solve this, we can do one thing. He is working at this speed, and in these many hours he is able to finish the work. And Srinu is working at this speed, and in these many days he is able to finish the work. Therefore, if you multiply these two, what do you get? The total work, isn't it? And if you multiply these two, you get the total work, and the total work is actually same. Why? Because they are trying to finish the same job, isn't it? Therefore, you can multiply these two and equate it to the product of these two. So what can I write? 3 into x into y minus 40 is equal to x into y. Got it? Now x will get cancelled and you can find out the value of y. So 3y minus 120 equal to y. That implies 4y equal to 120. Oh, 2y, right? 2y equal to 120. That implies y equal to 60. So if y equal to 60, what does it mean? Srinu is able to finish the job in 60 days and Murali is able to finish the same job in 20 days. Right? Now they are asking us how many days will they take, both of them will take together to finish the job. Now if you see this, the combined rate, if they are working together, the combined rate is nothing but here 4x units per day, right? And what is the total work? Total work is either you can multiply this one with 20 days or you can multiply x with 60 days, okay? So the total work is 60 into x or 3x into 20, which means 60 into x only. The total work is 60 into x units, that is what you are supposed to finish, and their combined rate is 4x units per day. Then how many days will they be able to finish it? Then the number of days is, you have to divide it. Okay, then you are going to get 15 days. Got it? So this is the total work and this is the total rate. Understood that? So what did we do? They didn't give us anything about the speeds, but then they gave that Murali is thrice as good as Srinu. That is why if you assume that the speed of Srinu is x units per day, then Murali's speed will be 3x units per day. And the other one is, they are saying that Murali took 40 days less compared to Srinu. If you assume this one is y, this one is y minus, then I found out what the value of this one is. Then I am able to solve it. Okay.